Yes, okay. Kid listener, it's second time here.
Second time.
What you tell me about this dive today?
This dive was like a whole new world down there. Green turtle was just enormous.
It was a big turtle, right?
It was huge, bigger than me. The ray was wild.
A black stingray.
The landscape of the coral, and to be beneath it and to look up at it and see the sea life that comes with it. The coral is like nothing I've ever seen before.
So you are recommending Musandam then, huh?
100.
Very good, very good. Thank you. Thank you.
Man.
Josh, again,
Yeah,
second visit to Musandam.
yeah, and just as good as the first time, if not better.
Very good.
Got to see more sea life, got to see a really big green turtle, which was amazing.
And all this jackfish around
Yeah,
here today,
exactly. A big shoal of jackfish, yeah, so just an amazing, incredible experience.
So what you can tell to the people then?
Yeah, got to come to Musandam and got to see Alex.
Thank you very much, thank you. Shukran.
Shukran.